Matt Diggity's The Affiliate Lab has been around since 2017. And in 2017, it was one of the top affiliate marketing courses available. But is it still the best one in 2023? Stick around to the end of this video to find out. Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. I'm Annie, and this channel is all about finding the best ways to make passive income online and weeding out the rest. If that sounds good to you, smash that subscribe button to help my small channel grow and to find out the best ways to make money online before everyone else does. Let's get right into this one today. Matt Diggity's The Affiliate Lab. What is it? It's a very beginner-friendly affiliate marketing course with a ton of content teaching students how to build an affiliate marketing website. So who created it and can you trust him? Matt Diggity is a very well-known online marketer. He's best known for being an affiliate marketing whiz and an SEO pro. He's been in the industry for about 20 years. He's written a few books on affiliate marketing and SEO, and he has his own YouTube channel if you want to check him out more. So what exactly is included in the Affiliate Lab course? The curriculum includes 4 main components that will teach students about building websites with WordPress. WordPress has been around for a really long time, but it can still be very difficult and frustrating for people who have never used it before. So it's not my favorite that he's still teaching websites with WordPress. I think there's a lot better website hosting softwares out there. He also teaches niche selection, so finding the right niche for you. And he teaches you how to drive traffic to your site using social media or things like Google and Yahoo. And he teaches in-depth keyword research strategies as well as a ton of other SEO strategies. So what's different about this affiliate marketing course than all the rest? Matt really teaches you what he's doing. He really practices what he preaches. So he not only teaches you how to do affiliate marketing like all the other courses do, but he also teaches you how to rank it, how to monetize it, and even how to flip it for a higher price. He also doesn't tell you to buy a whole bunch of expensive software before you even know what to do with it. He does recommend certain softwares later on in the course after you have gotten some experience, but he doesn't expect you to buy them all right away up front. So he's very practical. So who would this course be good for? The Affiliate Lab is a good course for people looking to start an affiliate marketing business by creating blog type websites. It's good for people without any previous experience, and it's also good for people with a little bit of experience who just want to level up their website. So who would this course not be good for? If you're not ready and willing to invest a bit of money and a lot of time and effort into this, it's not going to be the right course for you, because you really have to put in a lot of work and a lot of effort in the beginning to build up your website, to rank it, to get traffic to it, to put content on it. There's a lot of work that goes into blog site affiliate marketing in the beginning. So what are the pros? The course is very beginner friendly and easy to understand for people who have no experience in the affiliate marketing industry. Also, most students online seem to like the course. It's easy to find legit student success stories, so that's a really good sign. And the course creator, Matt Diggity, practices what he preaches, so that's really cool. Also, you pay once and you get lifetime access. There's no upsells. And lastly, there's no fluff. He's very straightforward and down to earth. So what are the cons? You have to set up a WordPress website, which can be difficult and frustrating if you've never done it. Also, there are no refunds or guarantees. And probably the biggest one for me is that he doesn't teach affiliate marketing through YouTube. It's really easy to turn a blog website into a YouTube channel as well. Matt has his own YouTube channel too that does really well. He uses it for affiliate marketing, so I don't know why he's not also just teaching that in his course. I think he's really missing the boat with that. And of course, now is a great time for me to shamelessly plug a course that I do recommend that teaches high-ticket affiliate marketing using what Matt's talking about with websites and Google, but also using YouTube. And I will link it in the description below. But how much does the Affiliate Lab cost? It's either one payment of $9.97 or 2 payments of $5.97. So my final thoughts. Matt is teaching you a really good course for how to do affiliate marketing through a website. However, he's not teaching you how to utilize YouTube as well, which I think is a shame. The amount of quality content and bonuses that you get are a really good value for the price. Matt Diggity is a practical, honest teacher who cares about his students' success. He's down to earth and there's no fluff. And it's going to take a lot of effort and work and probably time to really start seeing money from your website. So my final verdict is that I do recommend this course if all you want to do is learn how to level up your affiliate marketing website. So I don't really recommend this as much for complete beginners. I think that there's other better courses like the one I linked in the description below. But if you already have a website and you just really need help making it better and leveling it up, and that's all you need, then I think this would be a great course for you to take. If you're looking for a high ticket affiliate marketing course that teaches you how to hack YouTube and Google without having to build a website, then consider checking out the webinar linked in my description below. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope that you choose today to get free.